this is exactly what happened at the end of autumn. It was a big snowfall, a big freeze. So, might as well go enjoy it and have a nice little hike around. Enjoy the snow. I've just came on a lovely walk with my friend Gemma, who is helping me at the minute build an igloo. We'll see how it goes, and hopefully we'll have a nice little igloo for tonight. Coming along pretty sweet so far. Yep, that's the catchphrase today. Oh shit. Well, that plan failed. Top of the morning to you. Here we are in the still winterish wonderland. The sun's been coming out, the blue skies are appearing. I think it's just going to be rain soon and then it'll be all done with again for another year. It's alright once it's here, it doesn't bother me too much, just a bit of snow. Tried to build that little igloo with my friend and we failed yesterday. Did not get it completed. Oh, I did want to set up my hammock between these two as well last night, but failed again. They're too close together. Not sure if they'll fit over there. Might try that tonight instead. But I've not really been out in the snow too much these past few days. I've been seeing my friends, so been in the warm because I have good news. I did mention on that Wild Forest video I had a job interview and about that dream job, teaching kids bushcraft, me doing that, and I got the job. I couldn't believe it. I wanted to cry. The smile was hurting. Yeah, I've got it. So this life is going to change drastically. I'm not even going to be living out in the wild anymore. I'll be living on a campsite through May to October, teaching little rascals how to do this. Love nature and just be. There'll be loads of little hippies running about. The job title is called Tribal Leader. So much better than Warehouse Operative, which I have been for years, and it's time for a change. Life is looking good. I've always told my friends you never know what's around the corner. Little didn't know, I should be telling myself that. Yeah, really excited for that. I can't wait. It's going to be the best job I've ever had. I doubt I'm not going to be able to film any of that, of course, but I'll try, update as I can. I'll still be going on my wild camping trips. So that's what's going on in my life. Today I've come away from my hut. And I've come for a nice hammock camp instead in these woodlands. It's a lot more peaceful here. I was only in the other one because it's close to work. It makes it easier for me getting up in the morning and getting there. I don't have that job anymore. Like what? It's non-needed. So we just found two lovely trees. It's only about 3:45 or something, but I'm just going to set up straight away. No one's going to be here, no one's going to bother me. Enjoy this beautiful calming woodlands. There's only one thing to do now, and that's take off these wet boots and have a nice little chat in the hammock. that beautiful sight. Or should I build a snowman? Nah. This is the life. This is why I love being in the hammock. You swing away. Let all that snow melt around you. Maybe you can hear. There we go, we have the loudmouth deer over here, like I said, I seen them earlier. Now, way over there. Time to get the gas stove ready. I'm gonna have some chicken and rice. Nice and steamy, whole grain rice with some hot and spicy chicken in there. Oh, do me lovely for this evening. Love this part of the evening, chilling around a warm fire, gazing up at the stars, relaxing in these quiet woodlands. It's perfect. Such a lovely night. I think soon enough I will just get in that hammock, put on some lovely music, and just swing away. Literally get a lovely peaceful night's sleep. Hammock is the best for a sleep. Wake up feeling amazing. You don't want to get out because it's so comfy. I'm sure people with a hammock know this. But I feel it's a real treat. Love it. I can't believe I've only had it for like 3 months now, pretty much. Since the start of January. I had my first camp with my hammock for New Year's Eve. And it was amazing. I don't think I've ever had a bad camp. I've had things go wrong, but it doesn't make it bad. One time, me and my friend went camping, got there, took some LSD, realised I didn't have any tent poles when we got to our camping area. So, us being us, we just looked for some branches, somehow got a bendy one, tidied the tent, popped it up, and bish bash bosh, we had a sweet camp. Somehow we managed it, we always did. That's what I mean, things can go wrong, but don't go, oh shit, this has happened. You just go, how do we fix this? Don't stress yourself over things. Find a problem, sort it out, boosh. Just gonna let that die out now and swing away in this beautiful hammock behind me. It's first time camping in these woods as well. It's only 10 minutes from my other place, but nice and quiet. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow. Who knows? What a good ender. That just went out by itself. I should have just left it there. But good night, good morning, however you see this. Have a beautiful day. Peace.